How to add income in Spender app. Are there facing issues to add income in Spender application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To add income, first of all, open Spender app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on plus icon. After you click on plus icon, from the option select income, where you can see over here, just simply tap on Spain. As soon as you click on Spain, income section will be activated. Then enter the amount that you receive and choose a category such as salary. Once you fill up all the details, now just simply look at the bottom of the screen where you can see this option for add income. Tap on add income, and that's it guys. That's how you're gonna add income on Spender application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.